Welcome to another Day Tripper stealth camp. I've come out tonight with the biggest pack I think I've ever had, prepared for winter, testing out my winter kit, but I've got to get into the site. It's a little bit tricky. There are some security guards that patrol this area from time to time, I found. So I've cut away from the road so no one can see me approach. I haven't got much time, it's almost 3 o'clock already, and I'm going to have to move because it'll be dark by 4:30. So I'm going to get onto the site and then set up, and I'll show you around. There is a truck through there, actually on the piece of ground itself. So I'm going to have to try and stay low. Just may wait a minute until he's finished what he's doing. I can see the guy. So stay behind this tree and just lay low for a minute. Sometimes it's better just to wait it out. So there's no change here, still hiding behind this tree. They're still offloading the truck. It's been about 10 minutes now. It's stopped now. So I'm hoping the truck will start to depart shortly. It's getting in the truck now. Let's go for it. First cover. I'm sort of safe-ish now. I can get a bit paranoid doing this. There's a car there that stopped on the road. So I'm not sure if that was a security or not. So I'm not trying to be overly dramatic. Seem to have moved on now. So I'm now going to go back and find my place to camp. It's a bit more difficult in the winter because there aren't so many leaves hidden from the trees. No evidence of footpath going through here. It's pretty good. I've got area if I want to have a little fire. Yeah, so I think here really, lay the tent this way around. I think this is it. Let's get set up. So that's the basic setup done. Inner sheet in. Now because it's going to 5 or 6 degrees tonight in the autumn, I'm getting ready for winter, so I'm trying this. So I haven't bought the Sea to Summit Ether Light or the Thermarest Near Air yet. They're around £200, so it's a lot of money. I'm in two minds. I think I probably will get it, but I thought I'd try this first. This is just something I bought, some insulation I bought from B&Q, which is for the house. Now I'll try it and I'll let you know, because my sleeping mat is the £40 Trekology UL80, which a lot of people have, which is a very comfortable mat, but it doesn't have any real insulation in it. It's a summer mat, so I'm trying to convert it to a winter mat. I've got my Rob Ascent 700, which obviously bought recently. That should be good for this sort of temperature. It's not a winter bag, but it's sort of probably a free season bag. It should be pretty good. But just in case, for my winter camps, I'm going to bring this one Tigress down quilt. It'll be an additional layer if I need it. So you don't want to be cold when you're camping, do you? It's the worst thing in the world. So I'd rather have too many things than too few. I'm set up for the night now. See what time it is. It's 4:15. 4:15. At this time of year, you've got to be ready for the night. What do you do from now on? I mean, 4:15 in the afternoon, it's going dark. It'll be dark probably the next half an hour, totally dark. What are you going to do then from 4:30 or 5 o'clock up until it's about 7:30 in the morning the next day. So there's 14 hours to kill when you do a stealth camp in the winter. So I've got a few things to play with tonight. I've got the Trangia, so I'm going to cook a steak and kidney pie, or heat a steak and kidney pie. Try and use it as an oven. I saw Camp Life Bushcraft try that the other day, so I'm going to try that, see if I can actually heat up a pie using the Trangia. A bit of bushcraft things as well to play with. I've got my knife, got my sword, I've got my bush box. So I'm thinking I can have a small fire, so maybe to keep me warm a bit later if it does go cold. Tomorrow is going to be a clear sky in the weather forecast, so I'm going to get some drone footage, hopefully get a beautiful sunrise. That'll make it an extra special camp. Proper coffee, nice smell. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to try and cook as the train goes by. Bake my pie on the Trangia. Just a basic steak pie from Tesco's, I think. But can I heat it on here? Put that like that. Then I'm going to put the pie on top of that. So it's like an oven. That will get hot. And then on top I'll put this pan. So can you bake a pie on here? So I'm going to put it on there so that keeps the heat down a bit. Put it on top like that. So that's it. Is this going to work as an oven? Hopefully it won't blow up. Let's wait and see. Pie is cooking. It's going brown actually. So it's very hot in there. I think the pie is done. It's a bit burnt on the edges. Let's boil this water now and then make the mash. Right, mashed potato and beans. A winter camping food. Steak pie, mash and beans. All cooked on the Trangia. I wonder if that pie is warm inside. The moment of truth. Is the pie cooked? And the answer is yes. It is cooked just like in an oven. I'm going to enjoy this. Absolutely lovely. I really enjoyed that. Hot food when you're outside in the cold, it's the best. And the Trangia has got a whole new lease of life. I mean, what else can I do in the Trangia oven? I think we have my nanny state now. Ooh. I think the key is to have little things to do, little treats as you go, little activities, just to enjoy your time out in the woodland. So it's only a small fire, but it's entertainment. That's what it is. It's quite wet, the wood, so it's quite smoky until suddenly it dries out. You get flames like this. So you've got to be a bit careful. And there's a lot of smoke, so it's a bit of fun anyway for an hour. A bit of heat. It's very primitive, isn't it? Sitting around a fire. This little stove won't damage the ground, so that's one reason why I do this. I wouldn't normally do this. And I'm tucked away here, so no one can really see me, so the tent is blocking the fire from the road. I just enjoy this, sitting here. So it's that time for Horlicks. Getting ready for bed. It's not Ovaltine, it's Horlicks. It is so bright tonight. That's a good thing about full moon. Probably see some lights over there just about. I don't know if you can pick anything up. That's where the road is over there. Some roadworks going on at the big junction. But it's a really good spot here. Nobody comes through here. So I'm looking forward to a nice relaxing night. A clear morning with a beautiful sunrise. It's going to be sunshine. So I'm looking forward to showing you that. I'll say good night now, and I'll see you bright and early. Good morning. What a great night it was. Actually, I slept the most I've ever slept while camping. Of course I wake up a few times, but I definitely had probably 7 hours sleep, I think, something like that, which is a record for me wild camping. It's very quiet here, so I'm gonna have a cup of coffee. I'm pretty much packed away. Actually, I packed the tent down, watch the sunrise, just enjoy another half an hour or so here before I head back. Yeah, it did go cold to 6 degrees, but I was lovely warm in this tent. The tent was really good, wasn't cold at all. And the sleeping bag, I had to put the quilt, the one tigress quilt, over the insulated mat, and that took the chill off. With the down quilt on the insulated mat, it was warm, you know, going down to 6 degrees. So we'll see. I'm probably going to end up getting the thermarest or something. Maybe in the comments, if you've got experience with camping mats, winter camping mats, let me know which you think is best. That would be helpful. Well, it's now 8 o'clock. You can see the sun's coming up now on the trees, just as forecasted. It's going to be a lovely sunny spell here early morning. It's such a special time of the day, especially when you're wild camping. You wake up, another new day. Check, I haven't left anything, no litter, leave no trace whatsoever. And time to head out of here on this beautiful sunny morning. Look at this. So I've really enjoyed this one. Please comment, please like the video if you've liked it, and I look forward to seeing you next time. Bye for now.